Hi everyone. So today I'm going to walk you through the process of creating an account on astro.com. It's a free account. So this account will allow you to pull charts and to see information regarding your astrology. So this is what I recommend for if you're a first time pulling your chart, you've never seen your chart before, this is where I would go. So I will share my screen and I'll walk you through the process of creating the account as well as pulling your chart. So we're going to start by going to astro.com and then you'll come to this page. You can get so much information here, the current planets, everything is here. But for now, we're going to start by creating an account. So we can go click up here, My Astro. We're not logged in. We could click user profile or log in. I'm sure it'll bring you to the same page. And then down here, you'll see if you don't have a registered user profile, you have the following options. So you can be a guest user, but if you want to come back here and look at your chart or to pull other charts, I would recommend creating a free registered user profile. So we have some privacy consent. And then I'm going to use my other email that I don't have an account with. So you put your email address in here, choose a password. I'm going to choose my own password. Salutations. We'll go by myth. I'm not even sure if that's required. Caitlin, just put in your information, language, and there's all different language options as well. Keep me logged in, yes or no. I guess if this is the only account you use, you could say yes. I have a few that I go in here on, so I'm just going to select no. Save my password, and then here we go. We have an account on astro.com. So after we get to this page, you could do whatever you want from this point, but I'll show you once you do have an account, what it looks like when you come back to the page. So now I'm logged in. It says my name. So if you do want to come here and pull a chart, you would just go to this over here is probably easiest, My Astro user profile. So there's two ways. You could go here, over here to get to the same place. So then you'll see we don't have any stored astro data. Once we add some charts, this is where you'll see them. So I would like to add a new chart. So this is where you would go to add a chart. So I will put mine, first name, and these are optional too, some of these. The most important thing is the birthday. It already knows my birthday apparently. The birthday and the birth time is really important too. If you don't know your birth time, you can, a lot of people will say 12 noon, or I like to click unknown because then it won't give you the houses of the chart. And if you don't know what that means, it's okay. We'll get there. So I know my birth time, so I'm going to put it in. And I was born. And this is really helpful because it pops up, it populates on its own. So I would just click that and it would give the coordinates and everything. So we have the exact information and then continue. And then now we can see down here, we have our first chart. So I would click on this and just to see the chart, I would click chart drawing. And then this is where it would bring up the chart. And there you have it.